established by understanding, and then by knowledge, and with all thy getting, get understanding. For us to be filled with knowledge of God's will and in all wisdom and spiritual understanding.
Ladies and gentlemen, again, 2018 I think was a very good year for Yat Sen Secondary School. You had a 100% pass in year 13, and I'm sure this year's 2019 students, you will maintain the same record, and you had your year 10 and year 12 pass rates were also very encouraging. So let us celebrate the hard working, the achievements of those who will be graduating, not forgetting all those who have contributed to you receiving awards and prizes today, especially your family. And many a times when we celebrate achievements, we try to forget about those that have actually pushed you on the path of excellence. And I'm sure all you students will recognize and appreciate the contributions of your parents, the contributions of your teachers, and of course, the contributions of your peers as well. And to the teachers, let us not forget the work that you have done in preparing these children and putting them to the stage where they are here this afternoon. So, like I said to the teachers, please do not give in to challenges that come across your way. Do not give up your hopes on any child. Every child is special. Every child is special, and as teachers, we have to ensure that we tap those potential and we bring out the best in every children that is put in our care. Yat Sen, ladies and gentlemen, in my view is unique in the sense that teachers, parents, and students, you have come up and worked in partnership, right? And fulfilled the responsibilities that has been bestowed on you. What a unique way to forge together in unity, as the Chinese proverb goes. We must carry forward, I quote, we must carry forward the cause and forge ahead into the future. So those again who will be graduating, you have a cause. And what is the cause? To take your nations forward. Ambassador Bo mentioned that you are what the countries look for. You are not only the pride of your school, you are not only the pride of your parents, but you are the pride of Fiji. You are the pride of our nations. And again, words may not be enough, but I think we cannot thank you enough for being where you are. And I'm sure your journey from your primary school to year 13 for those graduating students has been a long, long and a tiring one and a challenging one. And of course, you'll be rewarded. And I'd like to wish you the very best for the external exams that you'll be sitting. Today, you boast of a team of 32 diligent teachers, and of course, well over 300 students? Close to 300 students? Close to 300 students. So, you know, the teachers, you've looked after the dreams and aspirations of about 300 of our students. And coming back to the free education grant, yes, we take note of that. And I'd like to thank all the parents who have been contributing to the development of this school over the past years. Again, if I may just make a short mention, from 2015 onwards, before 2014, school managements had the liberty to charge fees from the parents. From 2015 till now, the government has taken away that burden in terms of free education grant. We've spent close to 359 million till last year in terms of free education grant. And of course, yes, there is a reduction in the grant, and that reduction has been because of our budgetary allocation. We've been given 2.7 million less in terms of free education grant, and that's the reason why many schools are having a reduction. But we believe prior to 2014, when school fees used to be charged per term, we allowed the school management to charge the fees. The free education grant is far, far more, twofold increase than that. And all we request is schools to prudently manage the funds that have been given. And again, as mentioned by that, fundraising is voluntary. I hope that parents will be contributing towards the schools. Any fundraising that the school is going to be engaged in, it will be voluntary with no pressure put on you or your child to contribute financially towards the school. if I can talk about the TELS, ladies and gentlemen, to date we have assisted about 28,905 students through our tertiary education loan scheme. And again, that is again providing assistance to those parents who are not able to financially contribute to their child's tertiary education. I've also mentioned about the topper scholarship, so you still have time to prepare for their children. Ladies and gentlemen, I'd like to leave a message for those graduating students. There's a whole new world out there for you. There's a whole new world out there for you from secondary school as you transition into tertiary education. You will see there's a lot of challenges that you will face. A lot of peer pressure will be there, but I'm sure the lessons that your teachers have taught you, the lessons that you have learned in this journey of education will prepare you to do well in any tertiary education that you choose. While you choose your career, I think most of you, I'm sure most of you have already chosen your careers, but the career paths that you choose must prepare you for the national needs. We have a lot of students who say, I've graduated and I'm not able to find a job. In case of teaching, I'm sure your teachers have already told you that, your careers teachers, we need science teachers, we need maths teachers, we need industrial arts teachers, we need PMEC teachers. So choose those career paths where you know there's a job waiting out there for you, and that's the role of your teachers, to guide your children. As you forge your way towards further academic excellence, as you forge your way to make a mark for yourself in the society, ladies and gentlemen, we have to remember the values that we have inherited, the values that our culture teaches you. And it is very important that we never let go of those values. The moment you let go of those values, there are a lot of issues out there that will be ready for you. Peer pressure. I mean, as students, I think you should know the challenges that your parents face. Peer pressure, drug abuse, violence, crime. There's so many things are out there. But as you leave the gates of Yat Sen Secondary School, again, my focus is on year 13 students. As you leave the gates, please take back the values that the school has taught you. Always be ambassadors of this very, very fine and prestigious institution, and I'm sure you will all go a very long way. I know you are all excited to get your awards, and of course you deserve those awards. But while you get those awards, please don't forget those classmates of yours who may not have done as well as you. Continue to inspire them. Parents, some of your children may not be achieving any prizes today, but that doesn't mean they are not special. All children are special. Continue to make them feel special. Continue to do whatever is in your midst to push our children. And teachers, like I said, do not give up on those children who have not done well. And again, those that have not done well, there's always next year. Rise up, learn from your mistakes, rise up to the challenges, put in more, put in some extra efforts, and I'm sure victory and success will always be yours. Okay? At the end of the day, it's how you measure success. Okay? Discipline, commitment, hard work, dedication, passion for your work, your vision, your future. What do you want to see yourself in future? So dream big. There's nothing stopping you from dreaming big. Dream big, have good role models, and work hard towards those dreams, and I'm sure success will be yours. So as the principal mentioned, as we move towards the festivities of the season, as we draw down the curtains to 2019, I think it's still too early, we are in October, but I understand as you finish your exams are coming up, year 13 students, all the very best for exams this year. And as we move on to the other external examinations, keep striving for excellence. That's very important. There's no compromise to hard work. So keep working hard and you will achieve what you dream for. So I'd like to take this time to once again thank everybody, thank the school, the management, the Ambassador, you and your contribution, all the stakeholders who have contributed to the education sector in Fiji, all the teachers, all the parents, all the guardians, our donors, our ex-scholars, and anybody and everybody who contributes to the success of our children is greatly thanked and appreciated. To the parents, please continue working with the education, with the education ministry, with the school, to ensure that we give your children the best and only the best. To the teachers, once again, like I said, keep working hard and the reward comes in itself. Again, congratulations to all of you, and it is a moment to celebrate. And stay safe on our roads. I think I'd like to just mention 2 lives that we lost a day prior to Fiji Day. You've heard about 2 students losing their life. Pray for their families, please. There's still some struggling in our hospitals. We still have 3 students who are in the hospital and many injured during that accident in Rosy. Please pray for their safe recovery. And I wish you the best of health. And may God bless you and may success be yours. So congratulations once again, and thank you very much.
In the subject of economics, from year 12K, Xiao Yuan Tang.
Rosy Nakanavangi from Nawaisawa